If your Facebook videos have no sound or stay silent when you scroll, let's fix this together. For that, first you have to open up your Facebook app and tap on this hamburger menu from bottom, then tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and select media. In the media settings, first you have to make sure in-app sound is toggle on. Then scroll a little bit and you will find this option video starts with sound and turn it on from here. This will fix most of the issue. Go to the video tab. If you are still having this issue, just tap on the video to pause, then look at the bottom of the screen for the volume icon. Make sure it's not muted. If it is, tap it to unmute and you should hear the sound. Most of the cases it will fix your issue, but if it's not, just swipe down to open the control center, slide the volume bar up to increase media sound, and also double check your Bluetooth settings. If your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones, the sound might be going there. So just go to the Bluetooth section and just turn it off. And that's it. I hope this will fix your issue. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.